office and quickly grabbed a coffee and rushed to attend her class with Mr. Smith. Today, Mr. Smith spoke about elements of technical SEO. He started the class by saying how working on the website architecture and backend is a part of technical SEO. For a higher ranking, technical optimization is essential. You can assure smooth crawling, indexing, and ranking on the search engine's results page by successfully implementing technical SEO strategies. When you work on the technical components and architecture of a website, you are informing the Google bot about how accessible it is for retrieving the information. After exploring ranking factors in earlier lesson, it is very important to check out all the technical SEO elements for higher rankings. Our first element is website architecture. There are two types of architecture available: flat and deep. Information will be available in a few clicks within the flat structure, and resources will be close to one another. The benefit of a flat structure is that Google and users will have easy access to the information. It can also help in crawling and indexing. The user should be able to get all information with not more than 4 clicks from the main page. Information is accessible within the deep structure after substantial number of clicks. In other terms, it is difficult to access. In addition, the crawling and indexing operations take longer to finish. This gives a negative impact on SEO efforts. When it comes to, say, on-page SEO, best practices, a deep structure is not optimal. Next, we talk about choosing CMS. CMS stands for Content Management System. A content management system is a software that allows people to generate, manage, and edit the website content without requiring specialist technical skills. There are different CMS available like WordPress, Drupal, Magento, PrestaShop, Plone, Wix, Squarespace. WordPress is the most commonly used and popular content management system. WordPress has been used to create a larger number of companies' websites. Magento, on the other hand, is a popular platform for creating online stores. You can also create a static website, a blog, a forum, and an online course, a membership site, and a portfolio. Wix is the best option if you want to know how to code and want to design a website on your own. What are the technology choices for building a website? You will need to use a programming language to create a website from the ground up. To put it another way, you must write codes. Various technologies are available to accomplish this. It's vital to note that some technologies can prevent Google bot from scanning specific web pages, resulting in lower visitor counts. Some of the technologies that you can use for building a website are HTML, Java, JavaScript, CSS, PHP, Python, SQL, .NET, Angular, etc. Next, we will discuss about web design configurations. These are of 3 types of web design configurations, and they are responsive, adaptive, and M-site. In responsive, the use of HTML and CSS to automatically resize, conceal, shrink, or enlarge a website to make it seem good on all devices, it is called responsive web design. Adaptive design is a type of graphical user interface, that is GUI, that adjusts to various screen sizes. Designers use it in graphical user interfaces such as web pages that must work on a variety of devices. mm. Site is a special subdomain that is dedicated to mobile devices. Let us now discuss sitemap. A sitemap is a file that lists the pages, videos, and other files on your website along with their relationships. Two types of sitemaps are available: HTML and XML. The purpose of an HTML site is to make it easier for visitors to navigate. The XML sitemap describes all the website pages and how they are connected internally. This XML sitemap is followed by the Google bot for crawling, indexing, and ranking. There are different types of XML sitemaps available, like image sitemap, video sitemap, news sitemap, and mobile sitemap. Images that have an image sitemap are more likely to be featured on Google image search. Video sitemap aids bots in comprehending the video content. For news websites, news sitemap is necessary. It cannot include stories that were published more than 2 days ago. It can't have more than 1,000 URLs in it. If you have a mobile-friendly version of your website, a mobile sitemap is mandatory. And lastly, we will talk about status codes definitions. The code 200 indicates that the request to serve a web page has been completed and is now considered okay. When a person clicks on a web page and it opens, it indicates that it was appropriately responded to. The code 301 implies that the URL has been entirely redirected and the redirected page now has full ranking power. And that, with Mr. Smith concluded the lesson and briefed everyone about his next lesson on elements of technical SEO part 2.